Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to transfer Google Pay balance to PayPal. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Unfortunately, Google doesn't let you transfer Google Pay balance to PayPal. That balance is meant for buying apps, game subscription and in-app purchases on Google Play, not for cashing out. However, people who need money in PayPal sometimes use work accounts like using Google Opinion Rewards is eligible, and so some servers in the Google Opinion Rewards app on Play Credit. Some countries let you choose PayPal as the payout method instead of Play Credit, and if available, set PayPal as the payment option in the app settings. Second option is selling a gift card, which is an indirect method. You can use your Google Pay balance to buy a Google Play gift card or code, sell the code to someone you trust for cash or PayPal transfer, and then only do this with the trusted people and reputable gift card marketplaces. You can also buy and resell digital items and use in-app cash out apps, which is rare and limited as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.